We have many battle wounds of doing this for 16 years where the scars have shown that many of our projects have not gone perfectly, but even through those trials and tribulations, we don't run from our problems, we run into them to make sure that we can always get the plane landed safely. Nothing we sell has a definite completion. Almost everything we do in the cleaning industry is somewhat arbitrary or subjective with gray lines, and you want to make sure whoever you're working with is going to see to it that through the pain points they're going to get the project there, and that's a commitment to our purpose, which is to improve people's lives through giant service in the exterior cleaning industry. One of the things that helps keep our heads on straight is really just our commitment to just building a lean organization with transparency, where it's easy for a customer, whether it be to sign a quote on their phone quickly instead of faxing and printing anything out, whether it be we can send a customer a link where photos are uploaded immediately from our crew leads, whether it be in the middle of the night, our customer could be sitting on their couch, sick with COVID, watching the project being taking place in real time through video uploads and screenshots.
So we've kind of answered the call in so many different ways, shapes, and forms just to serve a customer. The pressure washing is often commoditized. We see a lot of janitorial companies, landscaping companies, they all have power washers and they do a lot of light duty cleaning. It serves its purpose, but where we fit in is a little bit different. And in our sales process, I try to teach guys and our project managers to offer some form of a good, better, best model, because every project is different, every budget's a little bit different. Best thing to do is to pick up the phone and give us a call. Whether you're a discerning homeowner and you want a quick quote and a consultation with some pictures via text, we have people ready to serve you that way.
Yep. If
you're a property manager and you're looking to change vendors, maybe you want to lunch and learn. If you're a construction company of some sort and you have a bunch of project managers who need a reliable contractor to sub out, or if you're a building owner, right, and you just need you need samples done, you need examples to see how we can clean the glass or clean the concrete or the parking garage. We have all different ways we can serve.